I've been using the BOTSLAB G980H 4K Dash Cam for several weeks now, and I've been really happy with it. BOTSLAB sent this to me to test out and give my honest opinion, so today I'm going to do that for you. As you can see, this is a nice form factor. It fits nice and snug right up on the top of my windshield here. It's got this nice large screen. There's three nice little buttons on the bottom here where you can control it manually. But I think the best part is being able to control it from your phone. So connecting this to the app is really the way to go. Immediately when I open my car door or when I unlock it, it starts recording, which is really nice. It does have a rear dash cam included as well. I use that on my other car, but this car it's not set up. Installation is a breeze. All you got to do is plug in this little cable, and I ran it through here. Comes with a little pry bar, and you can push the cord to hide it, and it comes through here and then goes under my glove box and plugs right here into this USB port. It does come with a little 12 volt to USB adapter, but I already have a USB port available, so that's the way I install it. I really like the wide angle that it has. Once you set it up here, you get a nice view of both lanes to your left and right and in front of you. The video quality is phenomenal in both day and night conditions, and when it's overly bright, it does not get over focused or blur out. It's got a great picture to it. So here is some actual footage from the dash cam. You can see it's nice quality. There's not much distortion at all. All the colors are very accurate and nicely represented. On the bottom right, you can see the current miles per hour, the time, the date, and the exact GPS coordinates. This is really nice to have, especially if you want to go back and look at your footage and get a good idea of where you were or when you were traveling or the speed that you were traveling at. So the video clips do pick up audio from inside of your vehicle. I currently have them turned off. I did test it multiple times, and I'm happy to report that the audio picks up really nicely. It records your voice and anything else happening inside of the vehicle. All in all, if you need a great dash cam that works well and has a bunch of great features, this has held up really well over the last few weeks, and I have no doubts that it will continue to provide excellent footage for me. Highly recommended.